Ugh. Oh my God. Oh, look at these prices. Like the markets have just been destroyed. Let's take a look at some of these. 5,700. It hasn't been around this low since June. You can't see the exact price, but it was lower than this. It was in the 5,700s back in June, and it's had some jump ups. It's like 8,000, but then it's just fallen off again. Bitcoin Cash. So much for the fork. It jumped up to 626 on November 7th a week ago, and then it's just been in free fall. This is why you sell before the fork, guys. You buy the rumor, you sell before the news. If you had sold today, you would have lost. You would have lost if you had bought it at like $4.99 or something like that. You would be way down. And our old friend Ethereum. Its high was 208 because it was brought by Bitcoin Cash fork, but just today it's just been destroyed. It was at 173 earlier. 170. It's at one. Lowest this thing shows is 177. 182 it was in at 200 just a few days ago. It's dropped like a stone. Look at that. Let's go to the full day. 203. Just earlier today. Bam, drop. Huge, precipitous drop. People, none of this is natural. Even Ethereum Classic, which is stuck within $9 to $10 range or low eights, has just fallen off today to $7 something. Wow. It's just, markets are just getting slaughtered today. All this is just straight up manipulation. Someone wants these prices, or a groups of people wants these prices to be super low. And I don't know if these are the bottom. I hear 163 for Ethereum. And Bitcoin Cash, who knows? And if Bitcoin breaks the previous barrier at like 5,700 or whatever, who knows how low it could go? It could go down to the 4,000s or lower. Who knows? It doesn't look like it's going to be a bull market this year. Because just everything has just been getting killed. There's very little use for it, and you can think of your own reasons for some of these. But wow. All these things, including ones that have barely moved, just today have fallen off the map. If you short it, you've made a ton of money today. But it's just been so random. I tried shorting Bitcoin Cash during the fork, but I got liquidated each time because just the people manipulating it are stronger than any analysis you could do. They could decide, okay, I want to go on this much, then jump up, liquidate everybody's shorts or longs or whatever, and then go back in the opposite direction. It's just, if you don't have a lot of money to spend, you just lose so much. And there's another system, core number trading, that's also good. So, and you can't even really core number trade on it. Oh, I had you guys on pause, so I'm just gonna, hopefully I'm not repeating what I'm saying, but core number trade relies on things to go up and down. Things that just going straight down, unless you have thousands and thousands of dollars or tens of thousands, you're not going to be able to catch every move. If it goes up and up and up, you'll catch so much profit. They'll go down and down and down. You'll spend some, think it's the bottom. It'll go down some more. You might be able to squeeze out a little bit more. Then it'll go lower, 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 and then eventually you've got to come out of your pocket with it because you spent all of your profits trying to catch the bottom. But it just keeps going way lower, way lower. Oh my God, 5,600 for Bitcoin right now. 5,600. We are on an unprecedented waters. Every sort of like barrier that was able to stop these have just been shattered, been completely obliterated. So this could fall to unknown levels that haven't been seen in a while. Oh my God, what a drop from almost 20,000 all the way to here. It's Bitcoin has been getting killed. I know I'm repeating myself a lot, but this is amazing. You guys have got to see a lot of this stuff. Like this is the market we're in. Like wow, a lot of this is just so much manipulation going on. And the news is just plump. Crypto and Bitcoin markets daily blows to Ripple. Everything's being killed. Bitcoin plummets to 6,000 for a new low. Oh, it's a CNBC. I don't need to read that. Criminals needing Bitcoin. Bitcoin column shatters. Price dives below 6,000. Look, people. This is why I think that they are most definitely gonna postpone the ETFs in December. They're gonna let the SEC is gonna let corporations and people like that just get as much Bitcoin as possible, and they're gonna push it for as long as humanly possible, and then they may outright reject it because of this stuff. Who knows? But they want Bitcoin, but it may not be adopted. I believe it's going to be adopted at some point, but it may not be adopted. What do you think? Because they've already backtracked on the previous ETF rejections by the Winklevoss twins, and so those might be an effect because they don't want the market to completely tank. They know that they control the markets. And there's so much nonsense going on BitMEX right now. That's just I'm not trading this. I thought it was going to take a little longer to get to 173. I didn't know it was going to happen today. Like you saw the prices. It was at 203 just a few hours ago, and then it dropped down to 173. Wow. I thought it was going to be a little longer. I thought it was going to drop up to back to 200 because when I looked at it the first time, when I was like actually in front of the computer, I saw it at like 197. I didn't think it goes down to 173. But just, who knows, man. And I'm not a trader. I can't tell you like what to trade. I'm not doing a BitMEX videos because I'm not nearly knowledgeable. I'm still figuring it out myself. But these are the markets, man. Crypto is both amazing and terrifying. Like, you guys have got to keep on your toes with anything. Look, it takes a lot to be a crypto. 3 things: nerves of steel, balls of steel, and a strong stomach. That's really what it comes down to. Right now, I'm in crypto up, hoping that something happens with it, hoping that it doesn't exit after the ICO, and there's an exchange starting at $3. Heck, I hope that there's so much enthusiasm on the first day it goes up to $5 or $6 and people push up the price to like $10 or that'd be awesome. But you know it's wishful thinking. I hope for the best for these platforms, but I am a realist. There's been things going on, the developer not communicating, etc., giving away tokens, and look, all I can say is that I just hope it works out. There's not a lot in crypto that I am excited about these days. Not a lot of programs, a lot of platforms, things branding and rebranding and all this other nonsense. I just need something completely new to come along for like me to really bring it to you. Like, I like crypto up because it's an old thing with a new twist. Now if it's the same way, who knows? But that's just me. I'm very conservative when it comes to this stuff. Not because I'm afraid of losing money. It's because I actually have to really like something to jump into it. So that's just how I do. ETH at 179. Even Ethereum Classic has dropped precipitously. So nothing's safe. Like Tether could be Tether could be a scam. People say that, but this is CoinMarketCap. Look how much they've dropped. 68% for Bitcoin Cash. You got destroyed in Bitcoin Cash if you're in it. Look, Tether's up because it's always up when the market looks like this. Where's Ethereum Classic? Down 15%. This is not normal, people. This is not normal. Like maybe it's people dumping for the holidays. Who knows? But we still got more than a month. I would expect this to like mid-December if it was going to happen, like before Christmas. But today, of all days, randomly, a day before the Bitcoin Cash fork, like, who knows? And that might not even happen. So, I know this has been rambly, but I just wanted to get my thoughts on the markets out there and crypto in general. It's a ride, man. Stuff straight down. If you're good enough to catch this and good enough to keep your money when the inevitable, like, random pump comes and hopefully you don't lose everything, then fantastic for you. It's just this is our market. This is what we do. So, all right. So enjoy. Welcome to the ride. If you're new in crypto, don't get scared about all this. I'll try to teach you the best I can. But anyway, If you like this video, leave a like. Subscribe, click the notification bell to get all my videos, and let's marvel together at this crazy market.